Clap your hands. And okay, go. 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 That's it. Stop. Ayan, malalapag ng ilalapag ko siya. Tapos matutulog lang siyang ganyan. Ay, pag nagawa ko yun, feeling ko ang swerte-swerte ko. That
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands together. So mama called the doctor and the doctor said.
Look, Aliyah. Look, mommy come. Yeah. Oh, no, not. Aliyah. Sad, but everyone is doing it. Yun yung reason kung bakit aalis kami doon sa Hello everyone! Another day, another vlog po tayo. We're here at Aliyah's na playgroup. Graduation niya ngayon. Aliyah, you okay? Graduation nila ngayon kasi next term wala na si Aliyah, nasa nursery na, and I'm going back to work. So, mayroon silang graduation day today. Ewan ko what to expect, but here's Aliyah, oh. Aliyah, say hi to the guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, masama yung gising niya. Umiiyak siya kanina, kaya medyo na-late na naman kami. Anyway, we're here. So, let's go, Aliyah! Wah! Mommy got it. Here, Aliyah. Here, stand up. No. Look, Aliyah. Look what Mommy got. Yeah. Oh, no, not for your mouth, please. Aliyah. It's good to see you here. Hello, Roxy. Hello, Robin. Happy Frosty, happy roll. All the king's sauces and all the king's friends. Children are happy together again. Sorry, guitar. It's under the wall. Happy, happy, happy roll. All the king's sauces and all the king's friends. Children are happy together again. Okay, on it, if you're happy. Alright, hello everyone! Tapos na ang playgroup ni Aliyah, and actually, today is her last day doon sa playgroup na yun. And guess what guys? Aliyah has a diploma. Tignan nga natin. Binigyan nila siya ng diploma. Celebrating Aliyah as she graduates from the regular jiggler. We will miss her. Beautiful smile. Go light up the world, little one. We know you will have a fab time at nursery. Love, Wriggler and Jiggler team. Oops. Inaantok siya guys. So, it's past her nap time. Kaya talagang antok na si Aliyah. So, si Mommy, I will go to town. We will go to town. Meron lang kaming bibilhin. Nag-enjoy siya ngayon, super. She loved it so much. Tapos binigyan din pala siya ng book. Okay, alright, Aliyah, let's go. Right. Ay. Ayun, oh. Aliyah. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Papa. We're in town. Dito tayo sa town. May bibilhin lang kami ni Aliyah. And then we go and pick up Summer. Inaantok na to pero nilalabanan niya kasi madami siyang nakikita eh. Tulog na si Aliyah. Hello everybody! Time check tayo. It's nearly 7 o'clock na ng gabi. So, nakabalik na kami obviously dito sa bahay ni Aliyah. And I'm going to make her dinner. So, ang favorite na kainin recently ni Aliyah is egg with cheese. So, gagawin ko siya ng omelette, cheese. And then, gagawin ko din siya ng porridge with pear. So, ito, porridge, yung oatmeal, tsaka pear. Ayun. Ang gagawin ko sa pear is, actually, huhugasan ko siya. Tapos, papakuluan ko siya, guys. Sorry. Anyway, update ko lang kayo sa nangyari today. Like, a while ago, pumunta kami nga sa, sa town to go sa aming last day of baby playgroup. So, yung playgroup ni Aliyah na pinupuntahan namin since 6 months ata siya is about to end. So, nag-end na pala today. So, yun yung last na session namin sa kanila. And very thankful ako kasi na-expose si Aliyah sa social life niya kasi she played with other kids doon sa baby group, and then yung na-enhance din yung play skills niya. Then umuwi kami ng Philippines, diba Aliyah? We went back to the Philippines. Tapos nung bumalik kami, they were still very welcoming, ganon. But unfortunately, because it's summer holiday na dito sa UK, so sila din is my holiday. So, during term lang sila available. Meaning, during school days. So, start na ng kanilang ng playgroup will be in September. So, nasa July pa lang tayo. End of July. So, sa September, mag-start na si Elia sa nursery niya. Which then, another panibagong adjustments and everything. So, yun yung reason kung bakit aalis kami doon sa playgroup kasi I'm going back to work and then Aliyah is going to the nursery full-time. Yun. So, doon na siya sa parang daycare center. Kumbaga, so ibang yun, mga teachers doon ang mag-aalaga kay Aliyah whilst me and my husband will go to work. So, yun yung parang normal dito sa UK, guys, na if, you know, you're a working class parents or you're working both mom and dad, dadalhin nyo talaga yung anak nyo sa nursery. So, which then, ibang tao yung mag-aalaga sa anak nyo. Ganun. Sad, but everyone is doing it. Kasi we don't have the luxury of me staying at home, full-time mom and wife. Hindi pwede yon kasi ayaw ko din namang maging full-time. I don't wanna be a full-time mom and a wife. I want to have a job. And so, something to sacrifice is yun nga, si Aliyah has to be at the nursery. And, you know, we have bills to pay as well. So, kailangan magtrabaho, guys. So, for sure, Aliyah is going to be amazing at the nursery. She'll be fine. She'll learn a lot at the nursery for sure. And then, for sure, they look after her well at the nursery. Yun, guys. So, yeah. Yun yung update today. And, ayun na. Ayun pala si Aliyah, guys. Nanonood siya. Screen time. Say hi! Alam nyo, guys, dito kasi sa UK, walang yaya, diba? So, kanya-kanyang paraan kung paano alagaan ang anak. So, yung iba kong friends, nagdadala sila ng parents dito para mag-alaga ng apo. Whereas, ako kasi, yung parents ko is, syempre matanda na sila. Wait, anak. Uy, you want this one? So, hindi na nila kayang mag-alaga ng apo, guys. Here. Cheese. Yum. So, hindi ko sila pwedeng ulit dalhin dito. Kasi nga, kung mag-aalaga lang sila, hindi kaya. Kasi, parents ko, yung mommy ko is, na siya, guys. Nearly 18 na siya. So, hindi kaya talaga. Kaya, pag ganito na nagluluto ako, kailangan ko ng entertainment. Talagang wala akong choice kundi ibigay yung tablet. Kayo ba? Alam ko may mga mommy na ayaw nila ng screen time, ganon. Pero minsan kasi, I have no judgment sa mga moms na binibigay ang tablet sa anak. Kasi, if need to be, kailangan. Diba? So, mag-comment down below kayo, guys, kung pabor ba kayo sa screen time, sa tablet, phone, or TV. Lalo na sa mga parents dyan na nasa abroad. Na walang yaya ba, kumbaga. Katulad ko. So, basta, lang, para sa akin, kung kailan lang kailangan. Hindi yung playtime niya, nandiyan kami sa sala, is nag-screen time siya. No, walang screen time. Minsan nga sinasabi ko sa asawa ko na we should turn off the TV. Kasi nga, playtime dapat yun namin. niya, ni Aliyah. So, you know, it's something to consider, diba? So, ako ngayon, katulad ngayon, si Aliyah ay, ayan, nag-screen time siya, guys. Ayan siya. Kasi si Mami ay busy sa pagluluto ng kanyang dinner.
Yes. Wow. Hey, quick, have one of these.
What are those?
Mozzarella stick.
Ooh. I'm gonna have one. Mozzarella?
We just
Look at
Cat like in the middle of the night.
up.
don't you eat like that either. Um.
Ay, messy.